Alright, David Cann here with another question from your Hayes and Harris Math SL textbook. We're looking at Chapter 9, Question 3, and in this question we're working with areas of non-right-angled triangles. In this question we're told about a parallelogram that has two sides, 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively, and the included angle between them is 52 degrees. And we'll try and find the area of that parallelogram. So, for a parallelogram, the shape looks more or less like this, where you have two parallel sides and two parallel sides. One side, the longer side, is 6 centimeters in this case. The other side is 4 centimeters. And so that'll be 4 and 6. Two of the four angles are 52 degrees. It can't be this one because that's more than 90 degrees. It'll have to be this one here, 52 degrees and 52 degrees. We want to find the area of the whole parallelogram. There's lots of ways to do this, but we'll try to use our non-right angle triangle tools that we just learned. And to use those tools, we'll split this parallelogram into two identical triangles. So we now have an area 1 and an area 2, and area 1 will be equal to area 2 because they're the same triangle. So if we want to find the total area, it's just going to be twice area 1, or area 1 plus area 2. And so now what we'll need to do is we'll just need to come up with an expression for area 1. Area 1, or the area of any non-right angle triangle, is 1/2 times the length of a side, so 4, times the length of another side, in this case 6, times the sine of the angle between those two sides. So we have length side 4, side 6, and 52 degrees in between, so that's sine of 52 degrees. Now if we want the total area, going back to the total area is just twice that. So twice 1/2 times 4 times 6 times the sine of 52 degrees. Now the 2 and the 1/2 cancel, and that just leaves us with 4 times 6 times the sine of 52 degrees. And when we perform that calculation on the calculator, we're going to get 18.9. We'll have to use our calculator because 52 degrees isn't one of the major angles that we're supposed to have memorized. So we have 18.9. The sides were given in centimeters, so the area will be in square centimeters.